Hello class 9th. Again I am Ken Mishra. Welcome all of you in online classes of biology. Class, uh, before today's lecture, before today's video, I have discussed about cell wall and cell membrane. Now today I am going to discuss with you about cytoplasmic organelle. One of the main cytoplasmic organelle is nucleus, which is present in both plant cell and animal cell. One thing, before going to discuss about nucleus, I want to tell you one thing, that nucleus plays very important role in cell. Nucleus is said to be the chief controller of the cell because nucleus contains genetic material and it controls all over the activities going inside the cell. Let us know something more about nucleus. Nucleus is present almost in the center of the cell. First thing. Second thing, nucleus is covered by two membranes. It is double membranous structure. It is covered by two membranes. The outer membrane, first one is outer membrane, outer nuclear membrane, यहाँ पे हम NM लिख दे रहे हैं, outer nuclear membrane, and this one is inner nuclear membrane, inner nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane is porous. This is pore. These pores are known as nucleopore. Nucleopore. These pores permits entry of some liquid materials inside the nucleus, and these nucleopores also permits exit of some liquids from nucleus into the cytoplasm. This is about nuclear membrane, outer and inner nuclear membrane. Inside the nucleus there is chromatin, which is the genetic material. Chromatin. This chromatin contains, of course, DNA, that is genetic material deoxyribose nucleic acid. This DNA is transferred from one cell to another. Now inside the nucleus there is dense nucleoplasm. First of all, I want to tell you about the liquid present inside the nucleus. The liquid present inside the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. The liquid present inside the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. This nucleoplasm is dense at the middle of the nucleus. At some place of the nucleus, the nucleoplasm is dense. This dense structure is known as nucleolus. Nucleolus. And inside the nucleolus, the genetic material DNA is present. I think it is clear, all of you. Now, during cell division, this nucleus plays very important role, because during cell division the nucleus divides into two. Of course, as you know, students, that cell division is of two types. One is known as mitosis and second one is known as meiosis. Meiosis, as a result of mitosis, two new cells are formed, and as a result of meiosis, four new cells are formed. As a result of meiosis, 4 daughter nuclei are formed, whereas in case of mitosis only two daughter nuclei are formed. Clear? As a result of mitosis, growth of any organism takes place, whereas as a result of meiosis, no growth takes place, but new offsprings are formed as a result of meiosis. One more thing I want to tell, which is the basic difference between mitosis and meiosis, that number of chromosomes present in daughter nuclei as in case of mitosis are same, that is 2n. Here number of chromosomes 2n, here also number of chromosomes 2n. But as a result of meiosis, number of chromosomes present in daughter nuclei are half, that is n in number. n in number, that is half. यहाँ पे 2n थे और यहाँ पे n हो गए. ठीक है, ये डिफरेंस है. लेट अस सी समथिंग मोर अबाउट न्यूक्लियस. As written in your book, that the nucleus plays a central role in cellular reproduction, the process by which a single cell divides and forms two new cells. It also plays a crucial part along with the environment in determining the way the cell will develop and what form it will exhibit at maturity by threatening the chemical activities of the cell. It is clear, all of you, I think. Now I want to tell you very most important thing, that depend upon the presence and absence of nucleus, the cells are of two types. First type of cell is prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. And second type of cell is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. If there is no clear-cut nucleus present inside the cell, then the cell is known as prokaryotic. We can say that in prokaryotic cells there is no clear-cut nucleus is present. At the place of nucleus, a dense structure is present without nuclear wall, which is known as nucleoid. Nucleoid. Whereas in eukaryotic cells, a well-developed clear-cut nucleus is present. Well-developed nucleus is present with double nuclear membrane. With double nuclear membrane. This is basic difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. I want to tell you examples also. Example of prokaryotic are all bacteria. All bacteria are prokaryotes, whereas you are examples of eukaryotes. यहाँ पे हम लिख दे रहे हैं human beings. Human beings. Clear? Nucleus plays very important role in cell division, as I told you. Class, I think this is all about nucleus. Make a diagram of nucleus in which nucleolus is also present. This diagram is not in your book. Make a diagram of nucleus in which nucleolus, nucleoplasm, nuclear membrane, all things you will mention. Clear? This is your homework and this is all for today. Class, stay home, be safe. Thank you, class 9.